Hello everyone, in this video I will make you learn about this and that what is the use of this and that. So before telling you about this and that, let me tell you that what is singular noun and plural noun, because this and that are used with singular noun. So that should be clear to you all. So I am going to tell you about singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun. So now I am going to tell you about singular noun. A singular noun refers to one person, place or thing. And the next one is plural noun. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place or thing. So now I am going to tell you about singular noun and plural noun with the help of an example. So let's see. Here you all can see that there is a pen in my hand. This is a pen and it is 1 in number. So when we are talking about one person, one place, one thing, then that is a singular noun. Now you all can see that I am having 2 pens. You all can see on the screen there are 2 pens. When we are talking about person, place or thing that is more than 1 in number, that is a plural noun. So here these are pens. That is a plural noun. Basically this and that are used with singular noun. This and that are used with singular noun. Now I am going to tell you that when we use this and that. This is used to indicate person or thing that is near. That is near to us. And that is used to indicate person or thing that is far. Now I am going to take one example, then it will be more clear to you all. I am having one pencil color in my hand. You all can see that there is a pencil color in my hand. So when it is near to the screen, you all can see that when it is near to the screen, then we use this. This is a pencil color. And when it is far from the screen, you all can see now it is far from the screen, then we use that. That is a pencil color. So I think now it is clear to you all that when to use this and that. Here I am going to take some examples. Number 1, dash is a ball. Dash is a ball. So I am making here an arrow. This arrow indicates near things when I am talking something about near. So you all can see here I have taken one example. Now let's color it. Let's take one more example. Then I am going to tell that when to use this and that. Now you all can see here I have taken 2 examples. So the first one, you all can see that here I have made two arrows in first one also and second one. This arrow indicates something that is near, and the second one you can see this is a long arrow. It indicates something that is far. So when we are talking about near objects, something which is near to us, then we use this. So this is a ball, and you all can see this, that is a tree. Tree is far from us, so we will use that. So now I think it is clear to you all that where to use this and that. Hope this video will be very helpful for you all. Thank you for watching.